So when you are assigned a space and before you start backing up or before you start setting up, you got to take a look at what's going on. All right. Now, use everything that you have. Okay, let's try to set up that we would normally. Could we do one of these ones and then over? No, I don't think that's going to happen at all. I don't think doesn't matter what I do, I can actually get that in. And of course, I just damaged my truck. Again, we're going to space number 8, by the way. Okay, just to clarify. Let's try again. Now, let's not blindside it. We have to sight side this. All right. So here's my little trick. Instead of using the area over here, we're going to use the area in here. All right. So we're just going to drive straight. Now the distance between here and here, I don't know, a trailer, basically a trailer length. Okay. So I'm going to turn it the last second and in. All right, if I'm going to hit, then I'm going to stop for a second. I did turn a bit too late. All right, so we're going to use in the space in here. It's actually, this is the area that we're going to use. That's actually going to put us into the jackknife. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to go ahead and point my steers straight. And that's going to put me into a jackknife. Let's zoom in a little bit better here and bring my, okay, we're zooming in just so I can see the back there. All right, no, I definitely need to start something. I'm not chasing it, or I'm not jackknifing. Well, it's just that my goal is just to maintain this angle for a little bit. All right, now I am going to try straighten her up around here because if I don't, I'll end up over here, and I don't want that to happen. Now, I recommend getting out and looking right around here. There we go. We just got out and looked. All right, and right now I'm just chasing it. Just chasing it, chasing it, chasing it. And if the next thing I could possibly do, maybe pull forward, but I don't think we need to. Now, if my trailer does start to point, yeah, we're going to need to do a pull forward. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop right here. Crank my steering wheel to the right. Pull forward. And all right, I think we're good. Actually, I would prefer to be pointing more towards the center. So I'm going to go off a little bit to the left. Back to the right. Okay, now I'm much happier with that. Now I'm going to do a straight back, and then I'll do my last adjustments towards the end. Here we go. To the right, back to the left, and straight again. All right, that's just a little tip for you.